Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in today's video we're going to be doing another daily dividends portfolio update. If you do enjoy the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll much appreciate it if you use my referral code to sign up to Trading212 to join me on this dividend investing journey. You could also get a free share worth up to £100, so it's well worth doing if you don't already use Trading212. With that out of the way, let's get straight into the video. As you can see on screen now, we're on our daily dividends pie. We invested £105 in this pie and we're seeing what it can passively grow to. We're not doing any of the investing, it's automatically done by the pie. That's the beauty of the pie feature on Trading212. We're currently about 68p down, or 0.66%. This is a lot better from last week where we were about £3.90 down, and hopefully we can get into the green this week. A lot of our shares are still in the red, Caterpillar being one of them. I think Caterpillar could have great potential in the next few months and the next few years, although it is still down at the moment. IBM is one of our biggest losers, and I personally wouldn't invest in IBM. Their share's been going down for a long time now. However, like I said, we're just doing this pie. I'm not choosing the investments, it's all off what's in this pie. So, we got our first dividends this week. Let me show you what they were. On Thursday and Friday last week, we got our first dividends from this portfolio. Although we have been investing in this portfolio for a few weeks now, we had to catch up for the ex-dividends dates before we got paid our first dividends. So, Thursday and Friday this week was the first dividends we got. We got a dividend from the PIMCO C bond, and we also got a dividend from the PIMCO short-term high-yield corporate bond. We got 1 penny and 2 penny respectively. Although we had these dividends paid this week, they didn't go into our pie, what's a bit peculiar. I don't know if this was because they were paid at the end of the week, so maybe I have to wait till Monday for them to go in. I'll let you know in next week's video. But we'll keep an eye on the free funds that currently stands at 47p to see if they're just going into the free funds instead of going into the pie like they should do. If you do have any information at why this could be happening, please let me know in the comment section down below. First dividend we got paid this week was for the PIMCO C bond. It was paid on the 4th of Feb and it was an ordinary dividend. They paid 36 pence per share and we got 2 pence as we had much less than a share. I know this doesn't seem a lot, but it adds up every day or almost every day, and if you have more than £100 invested, this could really be a substantial amount coming in every day. The next dividend we got last week was for PIMCO short-term high-yield corporate bond. This dividend was paid on the 5th of Feb and was once again an ordinary dividend. They paid 5 pence per share and we got 1 pence. I know there was only 2 dividends last week, but hopefully we get 4 or 5 next week, with it being our first proper week of dividend payments. Now let's have a look at some of our biggest gainers and losers of the week. One of our biggest gainers of last week was Prospect Capital, that was up a massive 8%. Our 0.4695 share is now worth £2.33 or 23p more than we paid for it. This is 10% up, but it has been hurt a little bit by the FX impact. Hopefully this share can have another great week. And one of our biggest losers is IBM, that's now down 14p or 6%. Our 0.221504 of a share is now only worth £1.96. IBM's share price has been taking massive hits in the past few years, and sadly I think this company's heydays are well behind them. Finally, to top off this video, guys, let's take an overview of the portfolio. Currently our lost shares are down £1.74 and our gained shares are up £1.06. This gives us an overall loss in the portfolio currently of 68p. We had a good week last week and let's hope to go green next week. Our dividend income currently sits at 3p, though this hasn't yet appeared in the portfolio. I don't hold the bonds that paid these dividends anywhere else in any of my other portfolios, so hopefully these will appear in the pie in the next coming days. Currently we have 30 lost shares, 16 gained shares and 4 shares with no change in them. Hopefully we can get this down the amount of lost shares next week, and hopefully we have more dividends in the week to come. That's it for today's video. Hopefully you did enjoy, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and use my referral code to sign up to Trading212 to join me on this dividend investing journey. You'll also get a share worth up to £100, so it's well worth doing if you aren't already a member of Trading212. I hope you all have an amazing day, and I hope to see you again on the channel soon. Goodbye.